back to my channel. I'm KESH, and if you're new here, what's good? If you old, welcome back. Today I'm just doing a little unboxing video. I wanted to tap in with you guys real quick. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully you checked out my last two videos where I unboxed my Cricut, and the second one where I actually used it to show you guys. So I just wanted to show you guys a quick little unboxing video. I got this for Mother's Day from my children, aka my man. This is an iPad 7th generation. I think it's the latest generation. iPad is rose gold. I'm showing you in the case. This is a transparent case, actually. I love this case. I just got this case the other day. It's also rose gold, but what I like is that the back is transparent because I wanted that to show. You know, I could have bought any case, but then you ain't gonna know what color. You feel me? Like, it's like when you get a certain color, as far as Apple products, get a transparent case if you want to show that off. Because like my phone I'm on right now, I have an iPhone 11, and I have the red one. I bought a transparent case because I wanted it red. Like, you're gonna see that it's red. Like, for all that, I could have bought a black one and bought a red case. You feel me? So I seen a whole bunch of cases on Amazon, and none of them, they was all rose gold. They had a whole bunch of nice, cute ones, but I was like, I need mine to show. You feel me? Like, so I got this case the other day, and this is the pencil holder. This case is pretty cool. It's magnetic. It puts the iPad to sleep. Like, when you close it, it's sleep. And then, like, I love it. And then it's a trifold. Not only that, it's magnetic, as you can see, and it will hold the iPad like this. It will hold the iPad like that. Not only that, but this top piece, it comes off, like, in case you wanted to, you know, take a picture really clear or whatever. And then it slides right back on. This case was only like $16. I got it from Amazon. I just looked up Amazon 7th generation cases. Happened to find one with a transparent background. I love it, love it, love it. But the point of this video is, as you can see, this little holder here is for the Apple Pencil. So like I said, I should have unboxed this on video, but my kids literally gave this to me, what, a week ago? Mother's Day was a week ago, and made me open it in front of them. So I didn't even get to do like an unboxing or anything, but whatever. I ordered something on my own because, you know, I like to draw. I'm very artistic. And like I said, this holder is for the Apple Pencil. I literally just got this in the mail yesterday. I'm excited. This was only $100. It came up to like $104 with tax, free shipping. Came in like 2 days. Yeah, so I wanted to unbox this and we can get into it together and see what's going on with it. Because I've been wanting an iPad for like a little minute, and you know, my man ended up getting it from me. So this is basically this is the 1st generation. The 2nd generation iPad Pencil, it only works with the Pro, the iPad Pro. Oh yeah, this iPad is also, it's 7th generation, but it's 128 gigs. I don't know if I mentioned that, but yeah. So this Apple Pencil for iPad models with Lightning connector with Apple Pencil support. That's just what it says in the back. I was waiting. FedEx, they be dragging it. I was waiting all day for this. To 3 o'clock. Okay, so this is how it looks right out of the box. If you can see. In here, you know how Apple do. Ain't nothing else in it. Okay, so it comes with an extra tip for the pencil, excuse me. And this is the connector piece. I'm not about to read all that. We're gonna take this out though. You know, the 2nd pencil is fire. It's matte, and you can get it engraved. This one is a smooth finish. This is all white, a smooth finish. This is dope. Oh my God. I cannot wait to play with this in my iPad. Oh my God. Okay, so this is the connector piece. I just took the bottom off, excuse me. And I believe this is how you basically put the pencil into this connector piece. I'm not gonna take it out right now, but you will put that into the connector piece. And then at this end, you will put the charger in because this needs to be charged. So I'm about to do that right now in a little bit. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys. Oh, let me show you how it would be on the case. There was another case I saw. It was rose gold. It was silicone, but the whole back was rose gold. I mean, gold too. It wasn't transparent. And what I did like about that case, like they had an inside section of the silicone where you could put the pen. But again, like I said, I wanted this transparent background. So I'm not really too fond of having the pencil holder in the front, but this seems pretty secure. It seems pretty secure. Look. So now I need a bigger purse. That's all I mean. I need a big bag because I want to walk around with this all the time. Let's go into notes real quick because I heard, oh, shit, I don't even know if I have it connected. I'm talking about let's go into notes. I don't even got this shit charged. Let me see something real quick. I still don't even know how to work my iPad. Okay, yeah. I gotta charge it, y'all. All right, so I'm sorry. I have to charge it. Matter of fact, let me do that real quick, and then we'll come back. All right, so while the pen is charging, let's get into this look, honey. I want to tell y'all, I don't have a full face of makeup on. I do not have a full face of makeup. I'm going to make a video how I made my own tinted moisturizer. Y'all, I do not have a full face of makeup on. I swear, I did my brows. I put my moisturizer on. Lashes by Vicky G Cosmetics. You feel me? Get into them. Get into them. Very fluffy. Lips, Vicky G Cosmetics. Let me show y'all. This is, these are not gonna be my original tubes. This is some sample tools I have that I have given to my family and friends. And this is this is actually a plumping lip gloss. You probably not gonna see much of a difference because I already got some big ass lips, really full. But y'all gotta get into this gloss, like this. And this is handmade. I made this formula myself. This is not, it don't make your lips burn or any of that. This is a nice tingling. It's like it just feel warm. You feel your lips like getting big. I can't even explain it, but do y'all see the shine? Look at the shine on here. I got some fly shit coming for y'all, especially for the bitches with little lips. Like this plumping lip gloss, look, this plumping lip gloss is gonna be for you. You feel me? Like I've given it out to my friends and family. They like it. It's very silky finish. It ain't all sticky. It ain't burning your lips or nothing like that. Listen. I am doing a soft launch. Listen, get ready. I'm doing a soft launch June 2020. We're gonna have a couple of things. I'm gonna be working tonight. I'm gonna make another video tonight because I gotta put the time in. It is May 16th, I believe. I got 2 weeks. And I want to show y'all so much stuff. Like I have I just designed my business cards. I just did my thank you cards. I'm actually gonna print out my business cards, but tonight I'm gonna make a video showing, like, you know, showcasing what I got. Go follow me on IG, Vicky G Cosmetics. You want to follow my personal page? Follow me, KESH_though. Yeah, so let's go get that pen. All right, so I charged this for like 15 minutes. Let's hope it works. So I was looking in the papers, again, me not reading everything, but I just looked through the papers. So I basically have to plug this pencil, into the charging port on this iPad. And I had to take it out of my case. So it's supposed to pair it together, I believe. Okay, boom. It says Bluetooth pairing request. Apple Pencil would like to pair with your iPad. And this is me. So we're going to hit pair. Come on, girl. All right, let me see if I can check the control center, see if it's paired. Where do I go? Settings, right? Settings. Let's see, Bluetooth. Bluetooth is on. Apple Pencil. I went to Bluetooth. So, boom. I wanted to go to notes. I'm going to take this out. Let's see. Oh, okay. So, I just went to my notes. Well, you can see all my shit. Y'all, that's my window. I got a bunch of Patron bottles with lights in them and stuff. There go my hookah. Listen, don't mind my background. So you basically go to, I went to my notes. I clicked on the pencil thing. Let's see, red. I'm all in the camera. So, do you see that? It says, only draw with Apple Pencil. Your fingers will be used for scrolling instead. You can change the setting. You can change this later in note settings. Heard you. So, yeah. If I wanted to just doodle. Do y'all see that? Go back to the pen. Let's do blue. Do y'all see that? Let's go back. Let's look for a nice pink. So, follow, I want y'all to listen, at VICKIEG, METS. Follow at Vicky G Cosmetics. All right? So, listen. This is how the pen works. This shit is dope. I have it paired now with Bluetooth. You can draw your notes. What I'm going to do is I'm going to download the Procreate app. I believe that's the Procreate. That's like the app you can draw. You can turn your drawings. I can use that to turn my drawings into stickers on my Cricut machine. Listen, the possibilities are endless. So again, look out for my next video. And thanks for watching.